Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get round, fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
I promise you I wasn't supposed to stream today, but my plans fell through. You have me again. It is November 15th, and guys, a lot of money has came into the cryptocurrency markets. We're going to talk all about it because I do want to keep the goons informed. I've also asked John Crispallo to join us, but if he doesn't, I have some information he has relayed to me that I do want to share with you guys because it's all about making educated guesses in the crypto space. And by the way, it is hard finding guys like yourself, whether you're watching this live or you're watching this on repeat. I please ask that you subscribe and interact with this video, whether you smoke the like button or write a comment down below. All right, guys, let's go right into it with the market. And why I said, some interesting things are happening is the one thing, as I always say, that global crypto market cap, if it's going up, it's a good thing for crypto. And guess what? It did go up yesterday, 1.35, 1.36, really making upward turns. Boom, a lot of money came into uh the crypto market, 1.44 trillion. So a big change evidently has happened. And what's interesting is we're not seeing that change reflect in the prices. If this much new money came into crypto, I would expect BTC over, 39K and Ethereum over 2,300. But unfortunately, the money that came in did not go into our top two dominant blue chips here. So we're going to talk all about it. I still want to show the greed has increased as well. So yesterday around 71, we were really going towards that neutral position, and we now went super bullish potentially again. So the theme being what is going to happen with crypto because we are almost at that crossroads. Hey, Mark Noby, nice to see you, buddy. What's going on? Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. We're really at that crossroads to figure out, hey, this is the route it's going to take, or this is the route it's going to take. And it's been flippy floppy for quite some time. Flippy floppy, Teddy, flippy floppy. Teddy, when SEI $5? Good question. I'm in SEI myself. That was a Coinbase one. So yeah, we'll figure that out. All right. Let me see here. So the money did come in 6% increase on the day. And we are seeing that for BTC. Yeah, it is up 6%, but really the price action does not reflect the amount of money that came in. So we have to talk about it 100%. So we are going to go to the heat map. 51%. We're reclaiming that dominance, and Ethereum's still around the same, right? So BTC continues going up, BNB around the same, XRP around the same, and I keep telling you guys, watch out for Solana. It's coming. It's coming. We're almost at that 2% dominance, and if that does happen, we can see Solana eventually being a top 5 in the grand scheme of things. So I love it. I love it. I love it. Especially when it comes to dominance, you are seeing their market cap rise. And, that's potentially where all that money is going because look at all the other dominance. Have you seen any of these rise drastically? BTC, definitely we've seen. But really, it's Solana. We have gone as low as, I think, 1.3, and now we're looking at 1.9. So this is making moves, and it is something to watch for. So I do want to go with the trending. As I said, Solana is clearly doing very well. And our second guy that out of nowhere, Caspa, and third being RNDR, right? So big goon type coins that we have gotten into and talked about, and now we are seeing that it is doing fairly well. So I love it. I love it. I love it. This is exactly the type of rally that I would expect to happen for altcoins when I don't see the money flow in to BTC or Ethereum. Where did the money go? Guys, Caspa's up 30%. That's where the money went. RNDR 30%. So these are the things that we have to look out for. And yesterday we talked about AVAX. Big A Armory brought up AVAX. He was considering AVAX. We were talking about AVAX around 17, and now we're at 20, right? So amazing, amazing price prediction, and very well. We saw that bullish sentiment across the board. We were able to make those decisions then. So now you have major pumps that happen. Expect some consolidation. Don't just go, hey, Teddy, we're all good here. Everything looks good. Expect some consolidation. Oh my God, John, how long have you been here? At least say something, man. Ugh, this guy. What's going on? What's going on?
What's up, Teddy? How you doing, bro?
Hey, how long were you there? Was I just going on a rampage and I didn't even see you?
Nah, not at all, man. I just been hanging out for like 3 minutes.
What's going on, my crypto pie, William? I did buy 500 AVAX last night. Yo, Big A Armory is up like anything. Here, let me stretch you out because normally I don't have other guys on here, but we
Dude,
will.
throw your money on Joe, not
Boom.
AVAX.
On what?
On Joe. Joe pumps harder than
Joe.
AVAX. Yeah.
Wait, where can I buy Joe?
Should
It's
be
not
able
on
to buy
Coinbase,
that
right?
MEXE.
On
Because you know that's
MEXC.
AVAX's DeFi is Joe. Trader Joe.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I had no idea. I literally had no idea.
Yep.
Wait, so I was just doing a shout out. You know the market segment. You've seen this before. You're a goon. So I was like, dude, Solano did very well. A lot of money flew in there, but really, RNDR just took it. But Caspa and RNDR 30% increases. So I was citing the global crypto market cap going up, but Bitcoin's price nor Ethereum's price reflect the amount of money that came in. So I was just hitting on that point. So what's going on with you, John? I heard you have some information that is relevant for us. And I do want to start off with that because, you know, it is part of the market. So do you want to share your screen or should I?
Yeah, sure. I mean, I literally just saw this right when I posted it, man. I was like, oh shit, let me fucking throw this up there.
Yeah, and this is one of the things. John Crispalla, great TA, makes very well educated guesses. We've been following him for almost 2 years now, John?
Yeah,
How long have we been connected?
been quite a while, man. We go way back to the Saitama days, dude.
Yeah, exactly. That was 2 years ago. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, we keep
Joe
tabs.
being sued by Trader Joe's. Oh, it's that Joe. Okay, I do remember the Joe being sued by Trader Joe's. That is happening. Hey, Coochie Boy says, "Hey, John."
What's that, Cooch? That's my trading partner, man.
Oh yeah, we know. We know.
All right, so how
All
do we
right,
do
let
this?
me put
Am
up
I
your
am I
screen.
am I sharing my screen right
Yes,
now?
you are. Yes,
Okay,
you are.
perfect. All right. Well, obviously we got that nice pump today, and so I was looking at this chart, and I was like, oh man, that's a rounded top, and usually rounded top leads down to the downside just as much as rounded bottoms lead to the upside. And so, what I normally like to do to get a better perspective on the charts is I usually like to flip them upside down. And in case you guys don't know how to do this, you just go right here and invert the scale. And boom. What does that look like?
A cup and a handle.
That looks like a cup and handle, right? And
Cup and handle
so,
means I go up. But
right.
this is inverse.
Exactly. And so when I drew that and I reinverted it back to its original, I'm like, oh fuck, it looks like we could go down. That would be the worst case scenario unless we start to flag out over here, then we would just continue to the upside. If not, then get ready for
That's basically like the handle's like neckline, if you will. And if it breaks that, it continues going bullish. But if not, in
right.
theory, it should go
It could
bearish.
go down because if you look at it, we're kind of overbought right here, and then even if we zoom to the days also up there, you already got
Oh yeah.
bearish divergences right here. Even the week We're already so we're probably if anything, right? If this does come to play, I mean this is just my opinion. This is what the chart conveys to me. I mean, we're probably looking at Friday,
Hmm.
which seems kind of right, the Friday dump.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, so just be aware, just be mindful of it. It's I mean, I guess it would be a good thing for us to accumulate some more bitcoins.
Yeah.
And
Don't you have a saying? You have like fake out Monday. You have what's Friday? Dump Friday or
false,
something?
yeah, false move Monday, man. Yeah, I don't know if you guys when you guys trade on Mondays, man, it's like the market makers are always like you can have a flag and you would think that it's gonna go up and it would just
Hmm.
go the opposite direction, and then once you're liquidated, and then it goes back to the original way it was supposed to go. So it's fake out Monday.
Yeah, and it's
Right.
all because market makers get paid and they're like, "Hey, it's Monday, brand new day, let's fire it up." And then they run out of money and they're like, "All right,
Yeah.
now we wait till we get more next week."
So they'll dump you on Friday and then leave all the retail money for consolidation, and then they do it again on Monday.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Red
That's how
Sox
that
says hey, and he says Saitama. Everyone loves
was.
Saitama. So do you know anything about the Saitama VZZN news that potentially came out? What happened with the whole delisting? Do you know?
I have no idea. I'm just hearing
Yeah.
this right now.
I wasn't able to keep up with that news, so I wish I knew. I'm
Yeah.
assuming you don't hold any Saitama?
Nah, man, I still got the V1 tokens.
Oh man, they didn't even airdrop you the V2s?
Nah, I just gave up on it, man. I'm just like, screw it.
I
Yeah,
think I
it's same
still hold
same thing
mine.
with Shinobi, man. That's those were the good
Do you
days.
have V1 or V2?
I still got the V1 on those too.
Oh yeah, there's no way. Yeah,
Yeah,
same.
yeah,
That's
totally
why I
no way.
never bought anything.
Yeah, but hey, guys,
um,
man, you guys got to jump on the BTC pairs, man. And if you guys are using USDT, you might as well just use it on Bitcoin, because they can grow at the same time. And
yeah,
they're almost and the returns that I've been experiencing is almost equivalent to leverage returns, man. If you put that into some perspective, you know.
yeah, I know. I did one of your pairs yesterday, I believe, the DOT BTC,
Uh huh.
and I was doing fairly well, and then there was a small retracement, and then I sold early. But if I had held on, it looks like I would have benefited in the long run.
Yeah, like when I did Caspa, like three
Hmm.
weeks ago,
Hmm.
it dumped on me for 10. The Caspa went down 10%, but the price was still up because Bitcoin was going up. Right? So you can
Right,
actually have
right.
both going at the same time, or if one goes down but the other goes up, then
Other
the pricing is still the same.
That freaked me out. It's like that whole trading pair like messes with my mind because it literally feels like a leverage trade that you're doing when it comes to a BTC pair. And so when you told me it, very naive. I just go, ape in, and then I see the numbers moving very quickly, and I'm like, mm, mm.
Hey, but here's the good part though, man. You don't get liquidated.
Yeah, that is true. I never lost anything. I realize now I could have made way more than where I sold at. So, but
Yeah,
still, profit is profit. So the ten
it
dollars
is.
I made, I'm happy with.
Here, let me if I may,
Yeah,
man,
go ahead, go
let
ahead.
me
I'm
just
on the chart segment. You do your thing.
yeah, let me just intrigue you guys on some things that I see here.
So these are your BTC pairs that you're showing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Um
BTC that was me yesterday.
a good place to like Coinbase has a great selection of BTC pairs, and then CoinX was the next one that I used.
Wait, is CoinX safe?
It works great for me. Um,
Do
you
you
know,
have to KYC to use it?
no, you can just use a VPN.
Use a VPN. Okay, got
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
I bought 100,000 CAS at 0.018 and sold at 0.042. Regretting that sale now, dude. I
Dude,
have
I
so many
know,
stories
man.
like that. Don't you worry. You'll get the
but
next
but
one.
I
You'll
think
get the next.
Cass
Hey,
could
you
be.
got AVAX. Get out of here, big A.
I know he
The
does.
guy apes in 500.
See, look at this right here. This is
Yeah.
this is Polygon right here.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
That return
and
on Polygon
so
shows 252%, guys.
just keep
235%, sorry.
just keep in mind that the bear market hasn't really started yet, and so you can go back to all of the dinosaur coins that pump like the last bull run and just fucking buy in, and but do it on BTC pairs and then just let it marinate there for the whole entire bull run. I mean, look at this right here. I mean, that this pump right here
So
was
you
for like
said they can buy BTC pairs on CoinX and Coinbase?
Coinbase and CoinX. Yep.
And guys, look at the charts. We make educated decisions. John Crispala is the guru in our space, along with Coochie Boy SK. So I 100% believe that this is the right move when it comes to making them educated guesses.
See, it's already
Hey,
up.
Racket Club, what's going on?
And if you guys want some of that degen tokens that just came out, Gate.io gets them pretty good too. Like there's a BTC pair on Ordi right now and Floki on Gate.io. If you guys have a way to get to
Wait,
it.
show us ordinals BTC pair. How's that chart look?
Ordi.
Do you hey, what's good, Teddy and John Crispala? Hey, Racket Club, I saw you got your fries off your hair. You look very nice. I think it is a change, and it is a well-deserved change. How are things? Hey, what's up, Marty? What's up, Rec? Nice, nice, nice. All right, is this the ordinals?
Ordi, right? Hold on a second. See it right here. Yeah, Ordi right now is up like at 10% for the day.
Oh yeah. We lost your chart.
Oops. Uh-oh. There it is.
This is the one thing about Mexi.
This is Gate.io. This is the only place that has it.
Oh, this is Gate.io's terminal. Mexi does this too.
Yeah.
Mexi, I think, uses the same one.
I mean, they're all using TradingView.
They're all using TradingView. Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Man, this is wigging out. There it is.
I see it. I see it. Oh yeah, that looks good. What are the moving averages here, or the? You have a cross right there, right?
If you guys want to get the moving averages, you can get them on TradingView for all in one setting, which is called the 5MA.
Oh, the 5MA indicator gives you all the moving averages in one shot?
Yeah. So for those of you guys that are not on the pro, you wouldn't have to, because you're limited, right? If you're on the free, on how many indicators you can have. So when you do the 5MA,
yeah, you can only do 2 now. They're so mean. They're so mean. Thank you, Teddy. My head is freezing now. I believe you, Racket Club. I believe your head is freezing since getting that haircut. All right, so is that moving average a golden cross that I'm looking at?
No. Right here you got the 9, the green's at 21. This is the 50.
Oh, okay, that's the 9.
200.
Okay.
So normally when they're far apart like this, it means that it's approaching that it's gonna be going on the opposite direction, because the 200 is kind of like a magnet. So if it's far apart like this, the 9 and the 21 will be dragged down to the 200.
Yeah,
so
usually if it's far, it takes a dump to bounces off the 200 and goes back up.
50 or the 200. Yeah.
Oh, 52, correct.
Yeah, because these are the two stubborn ones to penetrate, and so they usually ping pong on the way up or on the way down. But no, I mean, I've been shilling order to you guys for quite some time. It could be just as big as Ethereum, because it's.
I actually believe I still have my Ordi in that wallet, Xverse wallet. I still have the Xverse wallet, and I have my ordinals in Xverse, and that was because of you, sir. So let me see. That's probably worth a fair amount right now since Binance listing.
They had a Binance listing?
Yes, they had a Binance listing. That's why ordinals went up like crazy.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
See, I found out the same day, and Coochie Boy sent it in the Ganja Goons chat, and I
Mhm.
totally read the second news article and skipped over it. And then, like when I saw it on TradingView, I'm like, how did I totally miss this? Like Ordinals had a Binance listing.
Do you have Binance?
I don't. I have no Binance. I
Okay.
can't use Binance because they stopped me. You have to KYC.
Do you wanna try that one passport thing to what is that one island? There's an island where you can get a an ID for
Tell me,
like $300, and you'll get an address there, and
bro, is this legal?
yeah, dude, it's
It's a
freaking
legal
legal.
loophole. Let's
There's
do the legal loophole. How do I get
yeah.
Binance? Tell me. Tell me.
I haven't tried. I haven't. Well, I've yet to try it, but I only know a few people that actually that did it, and they can get through the BitGet, Bybit, and KuCoin and all that stuff. I don't know about the Binance, but unless you can find a surrogate that can,
But dude, if I can get through the KuCoin, I'm cool with that. Right
yeah,
now, they
I mean,
block me.
yeah, KuCoin is good for Bitcoin pairs too. They got a lot of a lot of the meme tokens
Wait,
on the
MEXC
Bitcoin.
also has BTC pairs too, right?
Not a whole lot.
Not a
But
whole
I
lot.
do
Okay.
love MEXC for the futures and the zero spot.
Are you holding the 1,000 MEX tokens to get the lower trading fees?
Not yet. I'm still looking for an entry.
Okay, same.
Yeah, it's worth it anyways. I mean, we're gonna be
Yeah,
using that for quite some
I
time,
mean, even when I charted MEX yesterday, it was looking very bullish too.
right? So, but yeah, man, it's good times right now, bro. I mean, we're just gonna I'm gonna be putting more charts in there, more setups. Me and Coochie Boys have just been kind of bouncing ideas around, and he'll shoot me something, and I'll look at it, and I'm like, oh damn,
Yeah.
like that play this morning. That was from Coochie Boy, and I just looked at it like, oh, I better jump on this one.
Oh yeah, you guys killed it this morning. What was that? What was that one?
uh, I don't even remember what it was. I think that was like
Dude, there's so
moon or
many
something.
that fires. We have so many plays like every day. Oh, dude, oh, Coochie Boy's shorting Caspa right now, so he's like raking it all in. He's up 184% right now. Wait, so you're copy trading him too, right?
No, I told him to. I told him to get set up with it so I can, because during the day I'm kind of limited with my time. Like, dude, man, just set up your copy trade and let me just latch on to
Yeah,
your.
he's messaging me that he's up 184% right now. I'm like, what? How? Of
That's
course you are, Coochie Boy.
that's his low average there.
Yeah, normally we see him up like 500% and plus. But
Yeah,
for every percentage you go up, you expect to go down just as hard. But for him, it just never seems to happen.
yeah.
Yep. All right, let me see. So what else, John? What else have you been up to? Fill us in. What's going on with you?
Oh man, I'm just been I've found a lot of fascination for the charts, bro. I just been on it. You know, I've I'm not for some of you guys that know me from a few years back. I was working with a project, kind of project, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so they're kind of in the sidelines right now. They're supposedly still working behind the scenes, but I'm just not liking the vibe, what's going on there. Not a whole
Yeah.
lot of transparency, so I just kind of left it at that and started working on what I'm really good at. And so, as you know, my background's in finance, and
Right.
I do real estate too, and all this stuff fits in my criteria. And so I started
Wait,
learning
so
more
what do
about
you
the
think about the
charts.
real estate market? You think real estate gonna go down?
If we go through, if they, well, they're starting to talk about bringing rates down, which is a good thing. But if they were to raise that a few more times, I don't think the industry could hit that. And the first thing that's going to go is the commercial real estate, because those are the ones that are taking a hit on higher interest payments.
Right.
Yeah, on those mortgages. So a lot of those mortgages would default, and that's the first thing that's going to go is commercial real estate, and then
Yeah.
residential will follow. But that's usually a good time for us because when it does tank, then that would position us to start acquiring more and get ready for the real estate bull run. Everything
Right.
goes in cycles. When the stock market's up, crypto market's up.
Right.
One industry is down, and so if we can capitalize on every single one of those aspects, we would be on top of it, right?
Yeah, no, I'm into real estate too. I think that's a good investment. So I definitely can agree. But I've had people tell me that the real estate and housing market's going to crash and just get ready. But I see no sight of it. So I'm just like, where, how? Because historically, real estate just continues to go up. Look at the same time 100 years ago. I'm sure your property's up.
Yeah, but there's always a demand for housing. I mean, we've been through. I mean, I've been through one of the biggest real estate crash. 15 years ago,
Yep.
and but
So
there's
how
still.
much did the crash impact you? Was it
Oh, big
30%,
time, man.
50%,
Big time. I
90%?
had I was holding I probably had about 10 properties, 10 of those rentals, and but that time, the market was totally different because people lost their jobs, and people lost their jobs. They're not paying rent, and
Right.
that totally depleted my savings, pretty quick.
No, no,
Which is
understandable. I've heard of this from other real estate developers and stuff that is not a good time when that happens. So it's a very unfortunate.
and it was a different environment at that time too. And I'm knowing what I know now. 2010 to 2000, 19, I was doing a lot of flipping and developing, and
Hmm.
that was one of my biggest regrets because had I held those properties, because I was all about building capital, right? And when you
Yeah,
make those flips, you're making like 30 to 100 grand, 150 grand per pop. But
right.
looking back now, I was buying properties at 50,000, and I'm looking at where they're valued at now, or like 500,000. Like I, I could be multi millionaire and making passive income had I hung on to those properties.
Right.
And so at the stage where I'm at now, that's kind of like my new intention is to basically, if the market does crash, I mean, there's always a way to acquire properties at 50%, 50
Yeah.
cents on the dollar. I'm just gonna start holding them. Put them in my on my Roth 401k, so they're tax free status. And
Wait, so you can buy a property, put it on Roth 401k, and it's tax-free properties?
absolutely.
How do you even go about doing that?
You just set it up. You set
Wait,
up
so I have
you
401k with Fidelity or Empower or
you'd have
Charles
to
and Schwab, right?
you'd have to make it a self direct. So meaning that
Okay, it's like a self-directed IRA. I understand.
it's a yes and a no. I mean, self directed IRA, that's managed by custodian, so you have to deal with the
Yeah.
third party. So
Okay.
like a solo 401k, it's self administered, so you're administering to your own plan. So you
Yeah,
basically
but
cut
you're
out
a
the third.
finance guy. How the heck do I how the heck do I start my own self-directed 401k?
Dude, you just yeah, it's not that difficult, and then you just open up an LLC on that, and that's where the funds are transferred to, and
Stored,
then
right. And
from
then the
there you start
LLC,
acquiring properties.
and then you pay for all the properties through the LLC.
Yep,
And oh my God, I understand.
yep,
And how much tax do you save doing that?
dude, it's an after tax contribution, right? And so, but it's tax free distribution. So there goes your kid's college plan.
You are blowing my mind. You are blowing my mind. I did not know this. I did not know this. That is genius.
Yeah,
That is freaking genius. So literally you can make an LLC, and then if you can get that LLC to a 401k, any contribution you make into that LLC is tax free on a purchase for land, which you can use for a purchase of land. And that is great.
yep,
Oh wow.
yep.
Thank you, John. I never knew this. Wait, so does it only have to be land or can you use it for other purposes too? Because it's a 401k.
Crypto.
Oh my God, because technically a 401k and investing in crypto.
Yep.
Holy crap. Holy crap. You are blowing my mind. I feel like I have just unlocked like the grand book of how to
It's a
do it
different animal,
properly.
man, because it's an asset allocation, but it's
Yeah.
it's
And
it's
and this is a complete legal thing that the government lets you do because
yep.
I've seen even self-directed IRAs and all the tax savings you can do there. I've heard it all, So I'm like, "Oh man, this is amazing." I appreciate that.
Yeah, for sure. So,
Okay.
but yeah, other than
Wait,
that, man, just getting ready for the bull run, and just
yeah,
beefing up
you're
my.
getting ready for the bull run, but you know what's interesting? I keep track of the crypto futures market on Binance. We always look at this ratio, right? It is 50-50 for BTC. Even the BTC guys don't know. But when I flip over to Ethereum, it's always they're super bullish on Ethereum and it's just constant. It's so annoying. I
Well,
want
Ethereum hasn't even pop yet, and that's approaching too.
Oh, I gotta tell you something about Ethereum. Let me flip over to the news thing. Let me see. Which one was it? This one. So this guy, Ethereum breakout, right? This is what you're talking about. Analyst explains why the king of altcoins is destined for 10,000. And somewhere in here, he talks about the fib retracement, at 1.414. You know all about fib retracement. I don't have to explain it
Yep.
to you. But he basically only puts the scenario if Ethereum can close out at 2,450.
Really?
Yeah. He puts this scenario of Ethereum getting to 10,000. That's the top. I actually saw Ethereum, I think when I charted close to 15 or 12 to 15K on
Mm-hmm.
fib retracement.
Yeah, I got my money on Solana though. I think Solana is gonna overtake.
Wait, you actually put money into Solana?
No, not yet. But
Oh, okay.
yeah, no. But
I
in
can't
terms
find
of,
an entry. I can't find an entry, and every time I think it's an entry,
dude,
it just keeps going up.
if you just fucking zoom out, man, and see where we're at, it's still got another 10x to go. So you can just throw money in there as it and just leave it alone.
You're blowing my mind. I just want to like get out my cell phone. Not like as you're talking, I'm looking at my cell phone and changing some of my strategies, buddy.
Yeah, so basically like Solana,
Mhm.
Caspa, and Rune, and who else is
I think I actually let me go over.
Render too. But basically the top three is going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. But I think Solana is gonna overtake.
Dude. Yeah, see, Mex is doing freaking great. It's breaking resistance right now, 2948. Amazing. Let me see Solana here.
Oh,
Oh
look at that.
yeah.
That's gonna go up
So
some more
dude,
too.
look at
Yeah.
Solana. It is crazy. This is so wide. This continues going. It's well above my last level of support I charted. So you
You know
said
another
zoom out?
one?
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Zoom out to the weekly. Zoom out to the weekly or
Yeah,
the monthly.
260. 260. That's the
Yeah,
max.
if you run a measuring stick from where it's at right now and then take it to the top,
Yeah, let me do that. Boop. 300%. That's not bad.
right? And you might as well times three that because we usually do double or triple the size of the previous bull run.
Oh snap! That's right. Every bull run overtakes the next the next one.
Yeah. So
Yeah, it can happen. You're right. I had my world coin. I had my entry point at 225, and now we're well above. Finally, Sam Altman is doing something right. And I know you
there's
like this one, Pog AI.
there's another one too that just won't go down. You ever heard of Yearn Finance?
Yearn?
Yeah,
No, I have not. Wait,
check it
don't
out.
do it. Cody says don't do it. What shouldn't I do? Thoughts on Vitalik Buterin sabotaging crypto? How he's making billions? He is a liar. He says he's never sold, and everything he does is just what he owns, and people are just doing nice things for him. The guy has a freaking mansion. How'd he pay for the mansion? I didn't sell. I just transfer. I transfer and other people sell. It wasn't me. Yeah, I believe you. And also, the Ethereum Foundation has been caught multiple times selling their tokens or swapping it for USDT, USDC, and then pushing it to a centralized exchange. So I feel very negative about the Ethereum Foundation, but the problem here is they have market share, 17% dominance. It's going to be very hard to break that. But as John said, Solana could be the one that does this
Dude,
or gets damn close.
did you hear about their conference a couple of weeks ago?
They're
Like
what?
they had their convention a couple of weeks ago.
Oh,
Solana.
the Solana convention? Yeah, there was a Solana thing.
They have all these fucking devs over there that are just fucking fired up to just, you know, start
Wait, even
building on the network.
Solana's also done like hackathons and stuff, but like every time I was always working somewhere else and I could never actually participate. I love hackathons.
Yeah.
I just liked it for the experience. It has nothing to do with like, oh, Teddy, get out of here. But you know, it is fun. Red Sox says, don't forget about INJ and SEI. You know about INJ and SEI?
Yeah, that one stopped going too. I mean, where's it at right now? Still,
Let me see.
I saw that the other day. It was pumping.
INJ
Yeah, it's up to
17. Oh my god.
it's
Yeah,
up
it is up a
1%
lot.
today. Yeah.
Bullish trend across the board. Long position came in September. So yeah, it didn't even go down during that October trend and get a second trend. It just keeps pumping.
Pull up Urine Finance.
Okay, what is the ticker? YEARN. Urn.finance. I got it on Coinbase. YFI.
Look at that, dude.
12,000 from 5,000. It's 2x in this.
It will not go down, dude.
So what's the max it's been? Wait, what the hell? It's been to 100 grand. Urn Finance has hit 100 grand. And right now it's at 12,000. And I can buy this on Coinbase. So what do these guys do? Tell me.
Honestly, I have no idea.
What do you mean? What do you mean? You're the one monitoring it and be like, oh, goons, go check out this.
I do TA, man. I don't do fundamental.
All right, they're number 108. So they're
That's you
108.
guys, right?
They're at 11,000. Yeah. Let me see. Let me fill you in here. So they're 108. They're about 334K. 1.17 market cap total volume. What the hell? Okay, fully diluted market cap 400 million. 440 million. Oh man. Did this just skyrocket like 1,000 in like a minute? What is happening? It's up 17% on the day.
Yeah, it won't go down, dude. That's like double digits for the past 5 days.
Bitfinex, Coinbase, Kraken. Wait, let me look at my indicator again.
I've had it too. I was like, fuck
dude,
it,
this
man.
bullish sentiment started in October. So most of the triple G bullish sentiments, they go for a couple weeks. So we may just be here now and it may just continue to pump all the way to 40K. But this is why I'm so skeptical, because then you had showed us just in the beginning of the stream a potential inverted cup and handle that formed, which usually indicates downtrend that is coming.
Possibly, potentially.
So we're watching that neckline, and I will show you my BTC because I got BTC charted like anything, but we're now well above my support levels. In my current fib retracement, as long as we're above 1.618, I'm still feeling bullish. But the problem is there was a point where we touched 34,853, you know, and that happened very quickly. So this could be another like quick fake out here.
Mm-hmm. Could be, but just be ready for it, just in case, right?
I'm always ready, but the problem is Bitcoin has a mind of its own, because the last time this happened, I predicted BTC to continue to go down once the short signal came in here that, hey, potentially was going to go to 22K. I remember being on stream with Wadi Rodriguez, also a very good TA guy, and both of us were feeling 22K. There, this was back in September, right when it was at 25, and it was about it got a short signal. Even the Andean oscillator, it stayed short, and it appeared to continue. But then out of nowhere, the ETF filings happened. Things were happening with XRP. The cases were going, and then boom, things just took off. So now 22K seems a long way away. But as you said, be ready for it, because you know these levels, if those supports don't catch, we're gonna drop hard. As quickly as we rose is how quickly we fall.
Yeah.
Wait, so let me oh wait, what?
Have your stop loss. Protect
Yeah,
yourself.
get out of here. Get out of here. My stop loss screwed me so many times. Yeah, so INJ Red Sox, I love it. I think it's good. Let me look at SEI because both of these I can get on Coinbase. Um, SEI. Oh wow, SEI looks real good too. And that bullish trend came in October 26th, and it is looking super bullish on SEI. I have SEI, but I think my entry point was way higher. Wait, I think my entry point was around 15 cents. So, oh yeah, I may be up actually. I got to check.
Man, I look
Uh
super bullish.
yeah, it really does. And there's only two positions this long position could go. We'll see. Ganja Anandya Raspati from Indonesia. What's going on? Nice to see you. Solana crashed 11 major times and 3 minor times. Solana has been hacked 4 times. I know. They even make fun of Solana because it's like, it's just a SQL database. What do you mean? I mean, in the grand scheme of things, if we get down to, hey, this is just a storage container, I'm okay with that. I think that's the way we should progress. SCI may pop Monday when the ISOs go live for the banks. Oh, I didn't even know there were ISOs going live for the banks. So there you go. Red Sox, keep an eye on SCI. It sounds like it's going to do fairly well there. But anyway, let me move over to Goon Time. I want to give these guys plenty of time
Sure.
to let us know if you want John or me, you want our opinion on anything, you want to tell us something about your life and fill us in, literally anything. We're ready for it. Let us know, guys. Otherwise I'm going to keep looking at Pepe and wondering when it's
Oh
going to go back.
yeah. If you guys aren't on the Telegram group yet, jump on it, man. Come hang out with us over there and make some trades with us.
Oh yeah, that's right. If you want an invite to the Telegram group, you can add me at TDIJNJA. You can find John Crispala or Coochie Boy on TG. We'll invite you to the group. Right now it is invite only, so we can monitor who comes in and out. And there is no fee. We're not charging anything. This is all free information to make educated trades with John and Coochie Boy, and they are definitely the kings in this market. Like, you can tell they keep all their history in our Telegram chat, and you can see it. So it is really awesome. Dude, my daughter just started walking without any help today, November 15th. I have it marked in stone.
Well, very cool. I'll let you be. My kid
Yeah,
is.
I hear your daughter. I'm
Yeah.
not. He's saying peek at KAS, so I will peek at KAS. You go, and I will talk to you after.
All right, brother. Much
Thanks for
love.
jumping on, sir. I appreciate you, and I'm sure I'll see you again.
All right, brother.
All right, bye.
Peace out.
There we go. All right, that was great. That was great. Let me see. Peek at KAS. So let me look at KAS. Did I thought I had Caspa on here? I swear, all the good ones I don't have. KAS. Man, that was awesome. It's been a long time since we've had a fellow goon on our stream, so it felt good to have a nice open conversation like that with our boy John Crispala. Always a pleasure, and you can see how good his TA is. Because if tomorrow Crash come in, you're gonna be like, John Crispala told you. Peak at KAS. KAS looking fairly bullish. You're at that 2x following the other bullish trends. Indian oscillator looks very high. Look at my 3-minute time frame. Okay. Let me look at 3 minutes. Let me look at 3 minutes. Ooh, it looks like a short in 3 minutes, bro. The next 3 minutes could be hit or miss. There was a long lasted a fair amount too. At 11.536. Right now it is a short. John is fantastic. Yes. Thoughts on Trump MAGA? Will it continue to retrace in the near future? So you actually have MAGA. Let me see. MAGA. Uniswap MAGA. Trump. Let me find this on what the heck? Let me find this on MAGA. Hi Kyra. You came up here? What's going on? You got all your toys? My baby is so strong. She lifts laundry baskets and trash cans and has her cell phone and. Oh, you guys can't hear me. Ah, you okay? Did I hit you with my headphone? Yeah. How things going? We're looking at MAGA here. Looks actually fairly bullish here. So okay, it's at 20 cents. Let me just pull it up on here. Are we at 20 cents? No, not this one. Let me see. What's going on, Kyra? Stop whacking my thing, please. Okay, this one's at 20 cents. Oh, dude, this is a long position. This is a long position. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Trump tokens moving a tad up a tad lately. Yeah, this is actually doing fairly okay. You got the long coming in. 21 cents is potentially your next resistance, according to Triple G indicator. He's coming for you. You going to mommy? Now she walks by herself. She literally started this today, and now we can just have her take off. She's wild. Hey, stay here. Hello? She's coming for you. Yeah, stay here. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I did not expect this. Wait, come take her. Yes, 1 second. I'm almost done. It's 9 o'clock. How's your Trump NFTs? Trump NFTs doing fairly good. I'm quite happy with my Trump NFTs. MAGA looks fairly good. Actually, let me go look at my Trump NFTs. OpenSea. Oh, I gotta log in. You're having so much fun over here. OpenSea. Wow. A new way to show off your collection in your studio. Wait, why am I on Matic here? What the heck? I guess the last one I got was on Matic. Oh, I bought USTR or something. That's why. Okay, yeah. All right, let's look ETH profile. Trump. Oh, dude, I got all these Michelin ones now. I bought the Michelin things, 1927. Babundum. I'm part of the Michelin ones. Got the Wagmies. I think this one's worth 15 ETH, right? Oh man, I thought one of these I listed for sale for like 15 ETH. I guess didn't happen. Okay, so here's the Trump ones. Best offer 0.11, 0.12, 0.12, 0.13. But when I go to list these for sale, it's like, bro, your top trade is half an ETH. You know, list for sale. 0.31, list for sale. 0.23, list for sale. 0.24. So even with these, this is like 1 ETH right here, right? That's not bad. That's not bad. Get out of here. Got my Porsche one, list for sale. My trap trade is 0.95. That's not bad. Because I got this literally when ETH was like $1,000. I haven't even ever listed this one. 0.15. That's pretty good. It's not bad, Teddy. You doing good. You doing good. Still 1x though. I think NFTs moved up 1 tick. Yeah. So they're doing pretty good. Did I miss any? H bar. H bar will rule them all. Okay, let me look at H bar. Then I'm out of here. H bar. Da 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 da. Hadera. Wait, what is happening with H bar right now? It is short signal, bro. H bar not looking good. Oh wait, it's not. Oh my god. I'm scaring my own self. It's because I was on the 3-minute time frame. Damn it, Coochie boy! Look what you did to me. Okay, well, the 3-minute time frame not looking good, but almost the overall grand scheme of things, it is a long position. Oh my god, that was super scary. I was like, what the hell am I looking at? This is why time frames matter. Yeah, so long position. Oh man, this is a wide band too. Oh, we've seen the bullish sentiment super wide. It's like literally off the screen there. Oh yeah, so then yeah, this could do fairly well because look at the last time the long position came in. It was a fair decent pump. from almost 5 cents to 10 cents, and we're right now along 4 cents to 5 cents. So if this long position goes, yeah, then you're looking at potential 10-cent increase. That looks very good. I'm very proud of Hedera here. Dang, Caspa, Solana, Hedera, these all look promising, man. But it makes sense. This is where the money's flowing into. All right. I think that is it. I don't see anything else. Guys, we had a very fun time. John Crispala joined us, hung out with us from our very own Goon family. Please, you see how we are. Consider joining the Ganja Goons. Hit that subscribe, smoke that like button. I will catch you guys next time. Stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly, of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed, get informed.